Hey guys, so Baba has jumped around 13% on last Friday, and it's due to a few reasons, and I'm going to share with you guys how I positions myself in the trade and how I actually analyze the stock. It's going to be very simple. So I'm going to share it with you, and let's dive right into the analysis. So first thing, the real reason that it actually had this outperformance is because of its clouds and AI. This is probably going to be their main driver going forward because of their cloud services that more and more users and businesses are currently using them. And secondly, this is a shocking news that they are developing their own AI chips. Okay, not sure how reliable this is gonna be, but if they are successful, they will replace a lot of Nvidia's chips with their own chip and provide to all the AI companies in China. Secondly, they may also be able to distribute all this to the rest of the world, right? So not sure how reliable it's going to be, but this is one of the catalysts. Okay, and the rest of things I don't think is that important, so let's dive right into the earnings and revenue. So the revenue, as you can see on this quarterly, actually quite flat, but there is some profit growth, but nothing much. And main thing I look at usually is annual revenue and profits, and you can see the revenue is pretty flat. Profit raised a little, probably due to the improved margins, but nothing much going on here, right? Let's dive right into the chart. On last Friday, I bought this stock at around 131. So the reason that I bought this is definitely because of this catalyst, the AI catalyst. And then this stock is actually beaten down for many years already. So you can see it had this one is like the first page should be here. You can see the resistance, and then it broke out. It broke out for the first time, and it retest, and it go up, and it come down, and now it forms these things called higher low. Come down. This one is the sign of uptrend, right? It's forming, and here could be just a base that is building and ready for the next takeoff, because you can see during this period it was like all the way down. It's on a downtrend, right? Built is a very long base for how long? It has built a very long base. Okay, it has built a very long base. You can see this one is about more than 2 to 3 years, and if I consider here, it's about 4 years. This kind of base is no longer making lower low, and it's attempting to break out now, and its catalyst is AI driven. So I think this stock may have some potential to actually break and run, right? It could be the next mover. I could be wrong, but if I'm wrong, I'm just gonna cut my loss. How I have positioned in it is I have a playbook called episodic pivot. So whenever it gapped up with huge volume together with the catalyst, then I will try to position myself for during the 5 minutes operating range breakout. As you can see, this one is a 5-minute chart, and actually it wiggled around this level, and then it finally broke out. When it broke out, I've missed it, and when it has pulled back to this level, that's when I have a limit buy that I bought these stocks, and then I'm holding it right now. So my cut loss will be on this low of the day, and I will see how it can actually performs. And now I'm up about 3%, 3 to 4%, right? And the thing that I like about having a huge base is the bigger the base, the bigger the upside. So that's what I like about it. You can see this one is for about 3 to 4 years, all right? And if it is that long, even if I am not going to take this kind of base as the calculation, I can also use this one which is the depth of the base, minus 83. Then I can also take, if it's going to flip to the upside, if 83 is going to be around here. So this is the depth, and if it flip up, this could be my first target. This is just for illustration purpose only. Ultimately, when I'm deciding to exit, I will see the actual price action in combination with the market and overall how the stocks are performing. That will be my reasons, and if possible, I will trail and move up my stop loss, okay, based on the moving average. So for example, last time when BABA had a run, it was respecting this 10 moving average all the way up until it broke and closed below it. Then here's when I can decide to exit, or if it actually breaks the close of this one, then I can decide to finally exit it. Okay, so but then here also it had another, it bounced up right up here, right? Then I can move up my stop to this level. Then when it finally broke, then that's when I will exit. Okay, so I'm going to apply the same strategy for this round of trade. So if it can go up, I'm going to shift up my stop loss based on the moving average, and I'm going to use the 10 or 20 moving average, depends on how fast the stock is running. So the faster the stock actually run up, like this parabolic, I'm going to use the 10, but if the stock is like zigzag, okay, I may use the 20. So it depends on how it actually runs. So that's my detailed analysis on BABA, and if I'm wrong, okay, I'm going to exit without hesitation. Right, that's it. That's my update on BABA, and good luck on the trade. See you in the next video.